constant information shows, Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $2,524, which really is genuinely critical. Our Ethereum long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $180,055 and $205,507, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, truly is gauged to especially arrive at a kind of typical cost of $4,700 toward the finish of 2025, which explicitly is very huge. Experts project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $35,109 mark in an essentially significant manner. Ethereum, ETH, is expected to arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $153,659 constantly 2040, or so they in every practical sense thought. Starting around 11 February 2024, Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $2,524 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is genuinely critical. ETH has a very complete market cap of $303,269,171,441, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,317,971,402, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes Ethereum, ETH, fundamentally positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum basically be somewhat worth in 2024, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Ethereum a wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will ETH cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed high, which really is genuinely critical? These essentially are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, exceptionally further appearance how this sort of makes Ethereum, ETH, really positioning at 2 in the digital money market in a sort of enormous manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024, as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the ETH cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly cross a sort of normal value level of $3,235, the normal truly least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to for the most part be $3,117, which fundamentally is very huge. Besides, ETH can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $3,792, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Ethereum cost especially is conjecture to sort of arrive at an actually the least cost of $2,267, or so they in a real sense thought. The ETH cost could generally arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme cost of $2,550, with the all things considered, normal expected cost around $2,479. Ethereum, ETH, value gauge walk 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for walk 2024 may truly arrive at a by and large least worth of $2,460, while the especially greatest estimated value sort of is around $2,674, exhibiting how starting around 11 February 2024 Ethereum especially is exchanging at $2,524 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in very most recent 60 minutes. In every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The typical cost for ETH truly is in every practical sense anticipated to really reach $2,578 in walk 2024, or so they truly thought. ETH value conjecture April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Ethereum in a real sense is supposed to essentially arrive at a really least value worth of $2,512, which especially is genuinely critical. The ETH cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $2,803, with the truly normal cost around $2,630 in an extremely significant manner. Ethereum value conjecture May 2024, the fundamentally normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could go to $2,709 toward the finish of May 2024, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. ETH could explicitly be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $2,934, with the by and large least expected cost of $2,591 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value conjecture June 2024, the normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could for the most part go to $2,763 toward the finish of June 2024, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH could for the most part be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $3,043, with the sort of least expected cost of $2,645 in a by and large huge manner. Ethereum value figure July 2024, the kind of normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could really go to $2,873 toward the finish of July 2024, in a sort of significant manner. ETH could generally be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $3,153, with the especially least expected cost of $2,755, showing that Ethereum value estimate May 2024, the very normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could in a real sense go to $2,709 toward the finish of May 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Ethereum could basically stretch around $3,268 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in August 2024 sort of is $2,870, with an exceptionally normal cost of $2,988, which certainly is very critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2024. The cost for Ethereum in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $2,930 and $3,387, in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $3,048, or so they sort of thought. ETH value conjecture October 2024. The Ethereum estimate for October 2024 expects that the ETH may essentially arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $3,509, with a sort of least cost of around $2,991 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the really normal value ETH can by and large stretch around $3,109 for October, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the in every practical sense, most extreme cost for Ethereum could really stretch around $3,634, exhibiting that Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2024. The cost for Ethereum in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $2,930 and $3,387, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in November 2024 in a real sense is $3,077, with an extremely normal cost of $3,171 in a sort of large manner. ETH value gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Ethereum is supposed to essentially arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $3,000.